Dave, it's been a busy start to the year for the company. Could you please talk to me about what's been happening more recently at American West?
Sure, Izzy. Yeah, it's been a very busy start to the year. Three big news items that investors will be aware of. Obviously, the Storm exploration plans, West Desert Resource. And look, the West Desert Resource was a significant milestone for the company. The size and quality of the resource gives us significant opportunity to optimise based on a range of economic outcomes. We also know that only less than 10% of the mineral district is explored, so there's fantastic upside in the exploration centre at West Desert as well.
In January, you announced the acceleration of exploration at the Storm project in Canada. What is the update on the exploration program at the project?
Yeah, well, now that we've got the capital raise away and we're fully funded to commence the program, the wheels are turning. The logistics have already started. The contractors are lined up, and so we plan to mobilise the initial crew and the RC drill rig in late March, hopefully to commence operations in very early April. Now, that'll be the RC drill rig to start with, and then the diamond crew will join the RC rig a few weeks after that. Now, just to remind investors that there is two important parts to this program in terms of drilling. There's the RC rig, which will initially aim to expand the near surface high-grade copper mineralisation that we've identified already. Again, to remind investors, we have over 40 hectares of that material sort of in the near surface that are waiting for drill testing and for resource definition. And then the diamond rig will work on the other piece of the puzzle, which is the deeper copper system at depth that's potentially supplying the copper for this high-grade mineralisation surface. So that's a more exploration-focused program. We've got some very good geophysical targets that will help prioritise that drilling, and that, like I said, is expected to commence a few weeks after the RC rig starts. The other part to the puzzle, again, is that we have two geophysical crews going up there with the initial crew as well. So with that, we have a gravity team, and they'll be doing a more regional survey because these deeper targets certainly have a really strong gravity signature from what we can see initially. And then there's the EM crew, and the EM crew is going to be helping refine the near-surface drilling by infilling and expanding some of the current and last year's moving loop surveys. So lots going on. The wheels are already turning, and expecting an exciting next few months.
Lastly, what can shareholders expect in the next few months for American West?
Well, given the Storm program is about to commence, like I said, the short-term and intermediate term is going to be a focus at Storm with the exciting copper drilling up there. We've also got some beneficiation work and metallurgical test work on the DSO potential of Storm as well to come out in the next month or so. So lots of Storm-centric news. We've also recently had the drill permit approved for the Copper Warrior project in southeast Utah as well. So look, we'd love to get down there with an RC rig as well. Some very low risk, low cost exploration. There's some fantastic IP targets. So we'd love to get in there in the next few months as well.
Exciting times for American West. Thanks so much for your time today, Dave. We look forward to following your progress.
Thank you, Izzy.